This is the sewing machine up for sale on eBay, and just wanted to demonstrate how it works. As you can see, the light and everything is on. I don't have anything that I'm getting ready to sew because I don't know how to sew. However, I'll just demonstrate how it works and that it does go on both speeds. You can see the controls there. There's the power button, slow, fast, and then some different options for adjustments. And so by pressing on the pedal below, it goes fast and slow depending on a little faster and slower depending on how hard I do press on the pedal down there. Let's see, let's move this to the high speed. Let's see what that does. And so that's all I know about it. It does appear to work fine. All the drawers slide in and out easily. Has the original manuals. And some other stuff that I'm not familiar with at all. Lots of yarn, backup bulbs, adjustments, needles, and I'll throw in some of this in the box as well, just extra buttons, other things that may be of use. Good luck.